Captain Girish Fadnes. These games, the maritime games, is all about togetherness, getting inclusiveness from all verticals of shipping. It's not only a few sections. We are talking about all the verticals from all over India. It will pick up momentum, like we said earlier. There have been over 87 or 86 companies who have taken part, over 1,800 participants to be exact, and 14 disciplines over 12 days from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
मैरिटाइम नेशनल गेम्स मैरिटाइम डोमेन के लिए एक परिवार एकाग्र होकर स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू, इस इवेंट्स के थ्रू एक कमराडरी, स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट को बढ़ावा देना चाहते हैं। आप सब जानते हैं कि भारत में जो सागरी इंटरेस्ट है, द मैरिटाइम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, बिकॉज फॉर द इंडियन इकोनॉमी 90% बाय volume and 70% by value of all the export and import of commodities which power the growth of Indian economy are on maritime routes. Ships पे जो हमारे officers हैं, other ranks हैं, onshore हमारे companies, इंडिया आज एक मेजर क्रूइंग डेस्टिनेशन है, जहाँ 12.5% of the global seafaring pool is coming from India, and we are increasing this to 20%. It is a celebration of what the Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Union Cabinet Minister, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, have envisioned in the Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Amrit Kal Vision 2047. ये मैरिटाइम गेम्स, मैरिटाइम स्पोर्ट एंडेवर से बॉन्डिंग होगी। मर्चेंट नेवी के लिए दी पब्लिसिटी वुड बी देयर। यंग जो हमारे सिटीजन्स हैं हु वांट टू जॉइन एंड बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस मैरिटाइम फैमिली, उनको आकर्षित करने के लिए, और हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग फैमिली मेम्बर्स के लिए a celebration, a festival to come together, to participate, to compete and to bring together that family bonding. This is the spirit of the Maritime National Games. इसको हम हर 2 साल करेंगे नेशनली, एंड प्रयास ये है कि 4 क्षेत्रीय गेम्स होंगे, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ, and 1 special edition for the northeast part of the country.
How are you feeling being here today and launching one of the most beautiful projects ever, and give us some moments of sportsmanship?
Actually, I am here because I felt that it's a very good initiative from Jagannath ji, and sports is the one who can unite people together, and to make the maritime games important to everybody, and to meet the players and to encourage the players, to motivate the players. I'm here, so it's a very good initiative.
So how are you feeling today this day happened?
Actually, it is under the leadership of DG sir only. Maritime games was since last 5, and it's not only we want to keep it to one vertical, we want to include the entire maritime industry. With lot of initially hiccups, then we finally said, he given direction, no, you go ahead, let us start as a pilot. Then we somehow formed a core group. Then core group has, then core group has really put in lot of efforts, and then that's how we have gone ahead. And I was initially a bit skeptical about the fundings and all, but then there is always support of DG sir, that he himself is taking review, and he himself is finding out that no, you will get funds which is required to to organize the entire maritime game in a very grand manner and fashion, so that we can prepare a project in such a way that we can organize these games biennial regularly on a larger scale, including different zones. So that is what our objective is. Again, under his leadership, we will be taking it further, and then definitely we will try to bring in people from different zone, and we will identify now which will be the next venue, with what kind of what will be the scope of the next maritime games. You know, when we will be proposing maybe 2027 or whenever. So this is how we have started, and I am personally hopeful that we will take it a long way.
And because we had to, in such a short span of time, such humongous job which has been given to us. So I hope I can deliver the way he had envisaged, the way he had dreamt of, the way his aspirations are, and the whole team is working relentless. And we have got entire team of this from the sports management fraternity. They all are very well qualified, and I'm very sure we can deliver it.
I wanted to know from PT Usha, the message.
Participation is itself is a very important thing, you know. They should try their best, that's all. Whether it is winning or not that question. But I'm happy to see all of them here. I think this 10 days, I think it is a 10 days one, no? They will enjoy it. And it's a very good initiative. That is why I'm here.